Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys that how you can install WordPress very easily by using Softaculous. So first of all, I'm going to search here for WordPress. Then click on this WordPress Manager by Softaculous option to install WordPress. Then click on this install button. And from here, you'll need to select the domain where you want to install WordPress. In our case, we are going to install it on SatisfyHost.uk. Let me show you. Currently it is showing us 4034 with an error because we have not installed WordPress yet. So I'm going to change the site name to SatisfyHost blog. Then I'm going to change the admin username to SatisfyHost. Change the password also. And then I'm not going to change the site description now because in future I can very easily change the site name or the site description from my WordPress dashboard settings. So that's it. Now I'm going to install WordPress. Okay, so here you can see that our WordPress installation is done. Now if I reload here, it is showing the WordPress site. And now we can also log into the WordPress dashboard. If I write here wp admin. Okay. Here you can see that we have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard. That means our WordPress installation is successful by using Softaculous.